Hey guys, it's Sheldon here. I am going to be making you guys another drink. Tonight I'm going to be making a Mermaid Water. The reason I chose the Mermaid Water is one, it's fruity, one, it's a little strong, three, one of my good buddies told me it would be a good drink to make. So what you're going to need is you're going to need three different liquors. You're going to need the Malibu, you need the Captain Morgan, or Sailor Jerry. I'm a Captain Morgan fan, so I'm going to stick with that. And then to get that sweet orange flavor and color, blue carousel. Between those three liquors, you will also need pineapple juice. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. And you will need lime juice. I really don't want to cut more fruit tonight, so I'm just going to stick with the sweet and lime juice. I'm going to change the ingredients a little bit on this drink because I'm not a lime drinker, so I'm going to stick with this. So first you need to grab your pasta mug. Once you get your ice filled, grab your good old jigger. We're going to do one full shot of Malibu. Once you get your Malibu, go to your Captain. What I'd love to start doing is more flair for you guys. So we get that going. Do a half shot, small side. Get your blue carousel. Do a half shot as well. Just do a dash of lime. Not too much, just enough to give it a little bit of flavor. Shake it with pineapple juice. Fill it up the rest of the way. And this is what you get with that first. Pop your tin, flip it, give a couple smiles with the people. How's it going? Be with you for a minute. Yeah. No, I see you waiting in line. I know you're waiting. Got a drink to make. That's how I talk to my customers. Then, fill this up. All the way to the top. There you go. Make sure you guys see this all right. That is Mermaid Water. Get your straw in. And since it does have that orange taste, you can put an orange on the garnishment. You can throw a lime since there's lime juice in it. Basically throw whatever you want on top. Make it look pretty. Throw 2 oranges, 2 limes. Throw a lemon on it. Okay, don't throw the lemon. That probably won't mix well. But with this, you do have that good looking drink. It's similar to the liquid marijuana in the drink. It's just a little bit bluish. And there we go. Quick example on Mermaid Water. I think next time I'm going to break out my list. I have a list I made for the bar so I can hand it out to customers so I don't have to explore it. The next one's going to be called, I'll make for you guys, is something fruity. It is a drink that I made up. I got tired of people asking me, hey, what's something fruity? What's something fruity you can make? I want something fruity. So I made a drink called Something Fruity. It is a vodka-based drink, and it actually has 4 different liquors in it and 3 different mixers. So with that, I'm going to kind of go off script a little bit, like I even have a script. I'm winging this right now. I want to tell you guys, I do have TikTok. I got a Facebook page, which I'm going to put the link to both of those on here. And I'm going to put a link to my other YouTube channel, just in case you want to check it. I will be posting my Beard and Brews email. That's going to be in the comments as well. Just so if you guys need to get in contact with me, you guys have a way. It's either going to be with my next video, or it's going to be the one after that. I want to kind of go over a little bit of flair, just so I can teach you that little simple, just a little flip, just something super simple to do. Or I'm going to show you guys, if I have enough room, little bit of behind the back, just so you guys don't get bored of me just making drinks. I want to give you guys a little bit more of a, it's a strong drink, just to give you guys a little bit more insight of what I do here. So I'm gonna log out, cut the video. I still got a little bit of cleaning to do, but I really wanted to drink. So you guys have a great night. See you guys soon. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks. Oh, wait. Can't forget my drink. I made it.